A young monk named Tama asked the Zen master, the sound of the leaf falling. A young monk named Tama asked the Zen master, what is the sound of truth? The master smiled and said, go to the forest, sit beneath the maple. Return when you hear the sound of a leaf falling. Tama sat through sun and rain. Leaves fell, yet he heard nothing but wind and birds. Days turned into weeks. Frustrated, he almost left. Then one dawn, a single leaf loosened above him. It floated gently, twisting in silence. As it touched the ground, Tama felt it, not a sound, but a stillness so deep it echoed inside him. He rose, returned to the master, and bowed. You heard it, the master said. Tama nodded. No more words were spoken.